Don't place a trade based on what you'll see in this video because there is no guarantees of making a profit in the market. It takes you a long time to become a good trader. So this video here is just to educate you to become a much better trader. Hey traders, I'm giving away 100% free access to my brand new breakthrough full trading course. This is 8 videos over 10 hours of pure amazing and powerful strategies. This is my most powerful systems and strategies that I've used for the last 16 years. And I'm giving it away for free. So this is what I want you to do right now. I want you to go to johnsfreegift.com, or there should be a link around here somewhere, a button or in the description or somewhere in there. Click on that and you can go get free access to my brand new breakthrough trading course. So go to johnsfreegift.com right now. Go to that right now, guys. You can get full, complete, free membership access. Go do that right now. Hey traders, John Howell here. And today I'm going to talk to you why I see an astronomical, massive bull move coming for the rest of this year in the markets, and in particular, the tech sector. I find that, guys, that I've been talking with my private clients, and I've been discussing with them for the last probably 3-4 months now that I see a rotation coming back into the tech sector, and why I see a massive, just astronomical boom coming in the markets there. And that's exactly, if you've been watching a lot of the tech stocks, you'll notice that as well too. Also, guys, when it comes to the tech sector, I'm going to talk to you about one market that hasn't made a move yet that I believe is just going to go great guns for the next 6 months. And I believe it's just about to get going. So I'm going to share that with you in today's video. But I want to share this with you because I've just been doing a lot of analysis and a lot of study across the markets, and I really have noticed that while the stock market and the S&P 500 and the Dow Jones were making some quite nice moves, I did start to see and I did start to notice that, hang on a minute, the Nasdaq and a lot of the tech stocks, Amazon, Netflix, a lot of these markets, even Microsoft, they were just doing nothing for quite some time. And to me, when the market's not doing anything for quite some time, to me, it's building up a lot of energy in the markets. And it's building and building and building. And to me, it's likely to break out and start to make some significant and big moves. And so if you have a look at the Nasdaq, this is the Nasdaq chart on the daily charts. And you'll notice that this Nasdaq is definitely in a very big tight triangle pattern. And we are just starting to break out now. So there's two things that I see happening with this triangle pattern. Firstly, now we've gotten the breakout. Now we can say, okay, where is this market likely to run to? So what you do is you take from the first bit of this triangle pattern, which is this bit over here, and you want to bring that down straight down to the actual line itself, right? So somewhere around about there. See how I did that? So you measure from the very first starting point of the triangle pattern or the resistance, and you bring it down to the actual trend line. And then what you do is then you project that up like so, like that. And then if we bring this over here, you can see how the projection of this actually is a 16,000 projection. So on the triangle pattern through here, now we've got the breakout. If I zoom in a lot more, now I see the Nasdaq running up to that 16,000 level. And in fact, I believe we're likely to best that and run up to even the 17,000 level. So the conservative target that I see happening from now through to the end of the year when it comes to the Nasdaq is 16,000. As you can see, it's just based purely on technical analysis based on that. And then on top of all of that, the fuel of the bonfire that is underneath these markets and the just liquidity and just things that are happening right now, I see a 20% rise in the markets. And that 20% rise from there to there, as you can see, is roughly around that 17,000 level. So on a conservative target, I see the Nasdaq hitting the 16,000 by the end of this year. So again, guys, we still have 6 months left. It may actually happen a lot quicker than that, especially a lot of these tech stocks. They're just going absolutely just nuts. So 16,000 I'll see by the end of this year. That's on a conservative basis, but I truly believe we're likely to see a 17,000 print by the end of this year. I know that sounds crazy because if I look at the Nasdaq here, let me just open up the charts. And we're looking at the Nasdaq. So, oh, this is the Nasdaq. And if I squeeze my charts up, like right up there, it's like all the way up here, I see the market going. Now, it's probably not going to go straight away. Now, it may just continue to go up and up and up and up and up and not really have any pullbacks. But it does, to me, look like that, that even if we do have a bit of a move, we're probably I believe we're likely to go straight to the 16,000 level. I believe that's going to be like a magnet, especially when we haven't been doing anything. And now we got this little flattening period. And now we're starting to break out to the upside. So I see, guys, that we're about to see one of the greatest moves we've seen in the tech sector happen in a long time. And I believe this is going to be a very similar repeat of what actually happened in the tech boom days of how vertical this went. So again, I see 17,000 happening in the markets. And in fact, guys, the tech sector is so big that firstly, again, I'm going to share with you the one stock that I'm not in, but I'm going to be getting in that I believe is going to make a big move. Now, the tech stocks that I personally am in is Microsoft. I've been in Microsoft now pretty much since the start of the year. It's called, or actually around the March period. I've been in Microsoft. And I see Microsoft getting up to around this 310 level by the end of this year. I'm also in Adobe as well too. Adobe. Again, guys, because I put my money where my mouth is. Right? I've been saying for the last 3 months, get ready for a tech boom. And that's exactly what happened. I'm also in Adobe as well too, right? Got in Adobe as it broke out. And look at Adobe. Adobe's just going absolutely gangbusters to the upside. And I see Adobe hitting 660 by the end of this year. It's probably going to hit a lot higher than that. Because look where we are right now. It's like Adobe's just gone absolutely just gangbusters haywire to the upside. And I see a lot more upside to come. Look at even NVIDIA, NVDA. Like look at the video just go absolutely just gangbusters after breaking out. So look at all these stocks here breaking out. Now, the stock that I'm about to enter in on, that I want to get in on, that there's no guarantees of it making a profit, is the one and only Amazon. Amazon is a massive company, but it still hasn't broken out of its triangle pattern. Nothing here. We have a big tight triangle pattern. But look what we also have here. We also have, look at this. See this massive channel that's happening right here? Look at this massive channel that it's in. So when we start to break out, if we do a channel projected target, and how you do this, once you see a big channel, and once we do break out, say we break out to the upside, then you want to take the bottom to the top and you want to project that up through there. And then therefore you will see that this has a now target projection of hitting the 4,000 level. So for me, what I now need is I need Amazon to break out, this hold here, and start to rally back up and start to get a nice close above at least these highs up here. You can see rejected once and it rejected again. I now personally need to see that need to see Amazon start to hold here and start to move back up and start to get a break above here, this high. That'll give me a higher low and a break above previous highs. Once that happens at 3,500, then we're now likely to start to see quite a nice move to the upside. And 4,000 would be a minimum target from there. I do see possibly a 20,000 print, and now a 20% move to the upside, and 20% is roughly around the 4,200, 4,300. But as you can see, we're also in this very big, I've just squeezed my charts up. Look at this. We're in this very big channel as well too. We've got a massive channel through there and and you can see the resistance. So I wouldn't be too surprised is for the rest of this year, once we do get the breakout with Amazon, that we eventually start to make our way back up to the top up here. And I believe we're likely to start to do that by the end of the year. I see a massive secular boom, like a massive super boom is on our doorsteps when it comes to a lot of the tech stocks are already making that super boom. A super boom is on our doorsteps, especially with the Nasdaq. I see the Nasdaq happening, and even things like Amazon as well too. Obviously, guys, there's no guarantees of making a profit with say Amazon. So if you do end up getting in Amazon, just make sure you have. I'm going to have risk management, okay? So because it could, you just never know, right? Amazon could break out and then start to do that on us. It's like, okay, then I've got to get out now for a loss, okay? So just bear that in mind. There's no guarantees of this happening, but there's a very high probability that we're going to see some very big moves. And once this happens, I'm going to be loading up. I'm going to be loading up like Donkey Kong, and it's going to see some really, really, really big moves. So guys, I hope you can see now why I'm massively bullish for the next 6 months across the tech sector, and the Nasdaq starting to break out. I'm already in a lot of stocks right now. Like even things like eBay. If I look at eBay, we'll talk about eBay today with some of my private clients. Even eBay to me looks like it's about to head up to $80. Massive, massive, massive opportunity, guys, in this market. So there we go, guys. Traders, I've actually just opened up a few spots to my coaching program. If you'd like to apply for that, then you can fill out the application. We can have a talk on the phone. If you'd like to get personally coached by me, then go to GetJohns. That's GetJohns, JOHNS, GetJohnsHelp.com. From there, you'll be able to fill out the application form, and also book a time for us to talk, and then we can actually have a chat. And if you'd like to be coached by me, and if you like this sort of stuff and you have this private coaching, then just open up a few spots. So go to getjohnshelp.com. And if not, guys, if you just want to get that free trading course, then just use the link below. But yeah, until next time, guys, I will speak to you real soon. Hey traders, I'm giving away 100% free access to my brand new breakthrough full trading course. This is 8 videos over 10 hours of pure amazing and powerful strategies. This is my most powerful systems and strategies that I've used for the last 16 years, and I'm giving it away for free. So this is what I want you to do right now. I want you to go to johnsfreegift.com, or there should be a link around here somewhere, a button or in the description or somewhere in there. Click on that and you can go get free access to my brand new breakthrough trading course. So go to johnsfreegift.com right now. Go to that right now, guys. You can get full, complete, free membership access. Go do that right now.